pillow. He drops it in bed.
He's got a pillow. Got you. That's a monster on it.
Mrs. Jacob Upchurch, that was your husband.
You mean that with Julie?
Do you have insurance on your glasses?
I'm self-insured.